Welcome back to Fearless Ferris Fire. So, today we're going to be doing kind of a used tool haul. So, I got all these from a good friend, and these are all, used tools which are very useful on, older vehicles. So, let's just go through and show you. So, this is kind of a used tool haul. So we're just trying to make a little space so we can look at everything we got here. So starting out, we got some auto body tools. This is Proto, made in the United States. I believe this one is another Proto. Rasp, that's Rasp holder. Got a lot of sandpaper. A very, very good sticker. Some more rasps. It's another curved tooth file from Proto. And sanding blocks. So, and then we got some. I'm trying to remember what these are named because I'm not a big person on like auto body and everything, but these are for shaping with the auto body. Try not to drop it and break my toes because I'm not wearing steel or vinyl or composite toed boots right now. Alright, this is like a suction cup. And I'm just showing you guys I am not an expert. I don't even really know what I'm doing for the most part, but I can show you what I have and get comments below of what I have. The big general purpose spoon. I'm assuming this is used for putting in putty. A big slide hammer. And then we have the hammers, so the different auto body hammers. And these are Duro. This one actually doesn't have a brand stamped on it. Actually, Moto. And these are two Durochromes. And then another one of these Moto. So another of those shaping blocks. So here's another one. But I am for definite sure that there are people that know a lot more, and I'll probably be picking up some books and be growing my knowledge on how to do the auto body stuff, because there are some instances, especially on my dad's truck and even on my own, there's a couple places where we're going to be needing to do some auto body work, and so we will be able to utilize these tools very well. And we have some scrapers. Yep, so, all the jiv. So right there's one of the crates coming over here now. It's in an old Craftsman box. Starting off on the top here, we have one of these nipples for like blowing for an air chuck. We have like this little hanger here made out of, like a coat hanger for holding up like compression, like different testers off like a dash, or not off a dash, I'm sorry, but off of a hood. Looks like we have looks like a spark plug cable. Pretty sure it is. judging by the head and the cable type. I believe this is a spark plug cable. Little test lead. We have, these are parts for these carburetors, which you'll find out soon why I have these tools. And then instructions, we have battery condition indicator tester, different like diodes, adapter for a compression tester. Coming down now here to the fun zone, we have a tachometer. So we'll be learning to use this, and you'll soon figure out why I have all these tools. We have a fuel pump, a engine vacuum fuel pump tester with its adapters and everything. Made in the USA. And then we also have a blast from the past here. We have an old timing gauge. I mean, a timing light, not gauge, a timing light. So, that'll be fun. All the parts for the fuel compression tester, little ignition point file, and the piston ring compressor. So, these are all tools we will then be organizing into the box there. Freaking amazing tools. Kind of a blast from the past for those that have used these tools, which I have not had much experience with these. So these will be a great learning, another great thing to learn to use. So, that really shows. Oh, and then also here, we'll show you, if I can lift it without dropping it and spilling the contents all over the floor. Sorry about the camera work. And I am going to look into a tripod. That's actually something I need to look at this evening. But we got an old Sears Craftsman, like, giant die grinder. I mean, this thing is a beast with all the different abrasives and the different bits in here. So, another tool which we will definitely be using very much. So, that completes this tool haul. This is, a used tool haul. And, I don't know, it's been exciting to show you guys all this. I know I'm not showing it on my face, but I am just stoked to have this all. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will explain why we have all this.